as you want.
With a Supreme Court nomination hanging in the balance, Palo Alto University professor Christine Blasey Ford gave emotional testimony before the Senate Judiciary Committee.
I am here today not because I want to be. I am terrified. I am here because I believe it is my civic duty to tell you what happened to me while Brett Kavanaugh and I were in high school.
With a national audience looking on, Ford detailed an alleged sexual assault by Brett Kavanaugh when they were both teenagers in the early 1980s.
I believed he was going to rape me. I tried to yell for help. When I did, Brett put his hand over my mouth to stop me from yelling. This is what terrified me the most and has had the most lasting impact on my life.
Ford told senators she is 100% certain that Kavanaugh is the man who assaulted her as one of his friends looked on, and she was asked about her lasting memory of the incident from long ago.
Is the laughter, the uproarious laughter between the two, and they're having fun at my expense.
After Ford's testimony, nominee Brett Kavanaugh appeared before the committee and offered an emotional and defiant statement of his own, denying Ford's allegation.
I'm not questioning that Dr. Ford may have been sexually assaulted by some person in some place at some time. But I have never done this to her or to anyone. That's not who I am. It is not who I was.
Kavanaugh said his name and family have been permanently destroyed by the allegations against him. And he angrily lashed out at Democrats for what he said was a smear campaign aimed at denying him a seat on the Supreme Court.
This whole 2-week effort has been a calculated and orchestrated political hit, fueled with apparent pent-up anger about President Trump and the 2016 election, fear that has been unfairly stoked about my judicial record, revenge on behalf of the Clintons, and millions of dollars in money from outside left-wing opposition groups.
Ford is one of several women who have raised complaints about Kavanaugh, some of whom have gone public, but others have chosen to remain anonymous. Outside the hearing, protesters both in favor of Kavanaugh and opposed to his confirmation made their feelings known. Senators must now weigh the testimony from both Ford and Kavanaugh, the fate of President Trump's Supreme Court appointment hanging in the balance. Jim Malone, VOA News, Washington.